Hey student, welcome back to my channel again. So today we are going to talk about our OOP lesson part 3. So today we are going to talk about UML class diagram. So let's see what is the class diagram first. First, we are going to understand in the structure in the object-oriented design. So, first let's see what is the class diagram mean. A class diagram is UML structure diagram. I think you already know about this. So, and the other one is it shows the classes in the system and their relationships. And the third one is it represents blueprint of a object oriented system. So this is the meaning of the class diagram. So let's see why we are using this class diagram. So the first one is to visualize the structure of the system, and the second one is help in this design and the documentation, and the third one is it identifies classes, attributes and the methods. The last one is it shows the inheritance and association. So this is the reason why we are using the class diagram. So let's see what are the basic components of the class diagram. There are 4 basic components. First one is class, the second one is attributes, third one is methods, and the last one is relationship. So these are the 5 relationships in the class diagram. So let's see what are those. The first one is inheritance, second one is simple association, the third one is aggregation, fourth one is composition, and the last one is dependency. So these are the basic components of the class diagram. So let's see the basic structure of a class. So this is the basic structure of the class. So in this structure, in the first row we can write the class or class name, and the second row you can add attributes, and the third row you can add methods. So this is the basic structure of the class. So these are the visible symbols. So plus icon shows public attributes or methods, and the minus icon shows private attributes or method, and the icon shows protected attributes or method. So this is the basic class structure, and let's see what is the types of relationships we are using in the class diagram. First one is association. So it is a user relationship. This is the definition of the association. A basic relationship between 2 classes. This is a definition. So let's take for example, a student enrolls in the course. So this is the association relationship between the student and the course. So let's see the next relationship. It is inheritance. We can call it like a ISA relationship. So let's see what is the definition of the inheritance relationship. It is one class inherit properties and behaviors from another class. So when we draw the relationship between the 2 classes, you have to add the arrow point for the parent class. So let's take an example for the inheritance relationship. It is car and bike are the types of vehicles. So we can say it like this. You can say it car and a bike is a vehicle. So this is the method you can describe the inheritance relationship. It is a relationship. So let's see what is the third one. Third one is aggregation. We can call it as a relationship. It's a weak relationship. Okay. So this is the definition of the aggregation, a whole part relationship where the part can exist independently. So we are using the diamond symbol for these relationship. Let's take an example for the aggregation relationship. It is a department has many professors. So you already know about the university department. So these are so many professors. So I'll take that example for these. one department has so many professors. So this is the aggregation relationship. So let's move to the fourth one. It is composition. We can say it owns relationship. So this is the definition of the composition relationship. The composition relationship is a strong relationship. So this is the definition. A whole part relationship part cannot exist without the whole. So this is the definition. We are using filled diamond symbol for these. So this is the example for composition. A house has rooms. If the house is destroyed, there are rooms also destroy. So this is the composition. So in this relationship, one relationship can't stay without the another relationship. So this is the meaning of the composition relationship. So let's see the another relationship. The fifth one is dependency. It's a temporary uses. So this is the definition of the dependency. So one class depends on the another for some tasks. Usually it's a temporary class. So we are using the dotted arrows for these. This is the example for the dependency relationship. We are taking this example. A printer class uses a document class. So this is the position example. We are using the printer for the print the document. So we are using this printer for some task for temporary. So this is the example for the dependency. So now I'm going to learn about a question about the class diagram. Let's see the question. Let's draw a class diagram for the following scenario. It's about a library management system. So this is the scenario for the class diagram. So now I'm going to tell about the scenario. A library allows members to borrow books. Each member has a unique ID, name and the address. A member can borrow multiple books but must return them within a due date. So, and books have a title, author, ISBN number and availability status. A librarian responsible for managing books and registering members for the library. When a book is borrowed or returned, the system updates its status. System should also generate reports of borrowed books. It can resolve book if there are no currently available. So this is the scenario for the question. Let's see the answer. For this is the answer for the scenario. So I'm going to explain about the class diagram. These are the class we can use according to the scenario. The first class is member. The attributes like member ID, name, address and the methods are borrow books, return book and reserve books. These are the first class. And the second class is we can take a book for the second class. It takes attributes for title, author, ISBN number and is available, due date. These are the attributes and the methods are mark borrowed, mark return and the reserve. The third class is librarian. Its attributes are staff ID and name. The methods are register member and manage books. And the fourth class is a library system. So its attributes are report list and the method is generate report. So these are the classes we can take according to the scenario. So let's draw the class diagram for the scenario. According to the class diagram, there are 4 classes. There are member, book, library system and the librarian. These are the relationship between the classes. The member and the book class has a association relationship. A member can borrow or reserve multiple books. This is the relationship between the member and the book. And let's see relationship between librarian and book. This is also a association relationship. A librarian manage books. It means librarian can add book, remove book and update books. So this is the relationship between librarian and the book. It is a one-to-many relationship. So let's see the relationship between library system and the book. So it is a composition relationship. The book is a part of the library system. If the book deleted, the book records are also deleted. So this is the composition relationship between library system. The book is a part of the library system. If we are deleted the book information, the book records are also deleted. So this is the composition relationship. Let's see what is the relationship between library system and the member. So it is a aggregation relationship. Members are associated with the system but exist independently. So this is the aggregation relationship. The members are associated with the system but exist independently, not destroy when the system is. So this is the aggregation relationship. Let's see the relationship between library system and the librarian. So it is also a aggregation relationship. In this relationship, librarian works for the system but are separate entities. So this is the relationship between library system and the librarian. So these are the relationships between the all classes. So this is the basic scenario about the library management system. So this is the basic class diagram about the library management system. So I think you are already know about the classes, relationships and the how to do this class diagram. So if you have any questions or something, you can use this explanation about this class diagram. I'll also add the explanation about this class diagram and the relationship. So you can follow these points about this class diagram. So these are the all things about the class diagram and their relationship. So we are already know how to draw it and the all information about the class diagram. So you have any questions or something, you can put a comment on this video, or you can also join with our WhatsApp group or WhatsApp channel. So you can ask any questions, so you can take notes, short notes in our WhatsApp group. So if you want to join with our WhatsApp channel or WhatsApp group, put a comment about it, so then I'll send you our WhatsApp link. So this is the video about the class diagram. So we will talk about the next video in the other diagram. So if you have found this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and join with our WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel. So see you soon. Bye bye.